We have a Daimler Dart that ironically came into us as a roadside recovery from an accident it had on a tour. It started as the intent, it was just an insurance repair. That has now grown into a vehicle that is having a full colour change. You can see the prep in the body and a full engine build, including a spoked wheel conversion. So let's start it on the process of its new lease of life. Some of you will have seen the Dart engine in the background of some of our videos, but eventually it will reside back in this car. There it is, primed. Next stage will be the engine bay painted in the blue metallic that the car's going to be. See you shortly. We can be found on www.cbrclassicrestorations.co.uk.